चलो आज प्रोडक्शन एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन का पार्ट 4 देखेंगे। इसमें टेक्निक देखेंगे, ठीक है। रेट्रोफिटिंग टेक्निक इन्वॉल्व्स, रेट्रोफिटिंग टेक्निक में क्या, रिपेयरिंग मिरर डैमेज पीरियोडिकली, ठीक है। द टर्म टूथिंग is a construction technique used in building brick masonry. Which of the following civil structure prepared for pre-assembled rectangular cage made of double twisted steel woven wire mesh filled with rock holder, which is a Gabion structure? What is the term used to describe the plastering technique wherein small gravel or pebbles are mixed into plaster of created texture finish, which is pebbles? Jacketing is used for which is strengthening the structure member. The termination of the wall is such a fashion that each alternate course at the end project in order to provide adequate bond if the wall constructed is continued at a later age is generally termed as visual toothing. The type of a wall which is non-load bearing and constructed for space division within a constructed area is called which a partition wall. The ratio of the cement and mortar preferred in load-bearing wall construction is which 1:6. The panel wall is in dash, which is external non-load-bearing wall in a framed building. Among the following strongest bond is brick masonry is English bond. The projecting ornamental course near the top of a wall or at junction of a wall ceiling is known as a cornice. The nominal thickness of an expansion joint in brick wall must be more than 20 mm. Which of the following statement is true regarding the strength of brick masonry? Brick masonry is weaker in stone masonry. Which of the following is not advantage of cavity wall over other wall which is loud or foundation are reduced? If the faces and backing of a wall are constructed with different classes of masonry or different materials, then it is known as which is composite masonry. Dash is the projecting stone which is provided to serve as support for roof truss, a beam, or a weather shed, which is a carvel. Among the following costliest masonry work is which is a Esser fine tool. Which of the following is not a type of composite masonry? Brick composite masonry. Dash junction is formed when two walls meet each other at the right angles, which is a squint. Which type of bond is useful for constructing half brick thick partition wall? In which masonry when all bricks are laid to their length in the direction of wall, which is stretcher bond? For low cost housing unit, dash masonry fonts to table with hollow concrete brick. Dash is the mud mixture made from a natural materials such as soil, straw, sand, and lime, which is a cove. Which is the minimum recommended wall thickness of load-bearing wall, which is 100 mm. What type of mortar can be used in an important building made of brick, which is a mud mortar? Mortar usually used in masonry work, which is a 1:6. Which type of masonry brick bond was a coarse header followed by course of stretcher, which is the English bond? Dash is the term used to define a brick cut in such a manner that is one long face remains uncut, which is a closure. Which of the following is not a soil exploration technique, which is standard proctor test to determine the depth of the groundwater table below the ground level in one of the objective of which is soil exploration? The type of soil sample collected using vast boring technique is which is the zero representative. Verbo flotation technique is best situated for compositing which are coarse and sand and gravel. The construction of framework normally involves the following operation, which is a propping and centering, shattering, provision of camber, hence all of the above. Which of the following is a component of superstructure, which is a roof? A floor constructed with a 4 to 6 mm marble chip is known as which is the terrazzo flooring. Flooring is the used in dancing hall and in auditorium. This is a timber flooring, a type of flooring made with a special aggregate to marble chip mixed with white and colored cement is called, which is the terrazzo flooring. Which of the following is the composition of the terrazzo flooring, which is a chip and cement? According to IS 1440, the framework formwork for the RB and RBC floor or roof shall not be removed before 14 after laying 14 days. ठीक है वो 14 days. Vertical framework of column walls is generally removed after which 16 to 24 hours. The construction of temporary structure required to support temporary or unsafe structure is which is soaring. The load considered for design of framework are which is for live load due to labor, dead load of wet concrete, impact due to pouring concrete, and all of the above. Which of the following is used for the work of supporting a building or a strengthening or a new foundation which is underpinning? Which of the following is not a primary function of formwork in concrete structure which to accelerate the hardening of concrete? Dash is the lightweight scaffolding used for repair work, which is a trussal scaffolding. Identify which one is a green building rating system, which is energy build skeleton and skin concept of building design and construction involved during the geothic period. The hazard which concern damage or destruction or building itself is known as which is a internal hazard. Low emissivity costing on a glazing unit, which is the reduce the SHGC. Classification of construction project as light, heavy, and industrial construction is based on the which is the type of structural member, equipment, and budget. When selecting construction material, what property is crucial for material used in foundation to resist the effects of moisture and chemical of the soil, which is chemical stability? A green belt zone is earmarked in land use zone, which is the protect natural or semi-natural environment, improve air quality within urban area, urban dwellers which have access to countryside, hence all of the above. Correct answer. Which of the following equipment is used for deep pit excavation of soft earth, which is camshells? Pneumatic tired roller are suitable for compacting with non-plastic steel and fine sand. Match the following construction equipment list वन और corresponding use दिया हुआ. ठीक है, तो आपको पता है डायरेक्ट यूज के कंस्ट्रक्शन इक्विपमेंट यूज फॉर लिफ्टिंग है, erecting tractor molded reaper which is used for the construction equipment used for drilling and blasting. Shipping foot roller which is used for construction equipment used for compaction and grading, and C option is correct. Which of the following statement is correct regarding triaxial test equipment in soil testing? First statement, the test equipment especially consists of high pressure cylindrical cell. Cylindrical cell is fitted between the base and the top cap, which is both statement is correct. Compaction of a vibratory roller is the best method of compaction in case of which in well graded dry sand. Shear strength of highly plastic cohesive soil is found out of which equipment which have when shear test. Coarse grain soil are best compacted by which is the vibratory roller. Which of the following roller type is not suitable for sand type soil, which is a seafoot roller? Which type of equipment is typically used for compacting crushed rock and gravel use, and which is a smooth wheel roller? Vibratory roller are suitable for compaction of which is the granular soil. Select the most appropriate roller for clay type of subgrade construction, which is a seafoot roller. For a standard proctor test, the marks of hammer and the drop of hammer are followed, which is a 2.6 kg and 3.10 mm. For determine the grain size of soil particle, which of the following equipment can use, which is a sieve? Which of the following machine can be used for topsoil removal, which is scraper? For high-rise building, which type of crane are used, which is a tower crane? During the construction of tall building, the equipment used for hoisting building material to the upper floor is which is the tower crane. Which of the following is not a drill and boring tool in carpentry work, which is the chisel? Which of the following equipment is not used for hauling, which is the scraper? For heavy civil project, examination of a weight and dimension limit of road is related to which equipment planning? Which of the following are not considered to site layout planning element, which is finance? PPE is the short form for protective equipment, which is the personal. Which of the following is an example of personal protective equipment PPE in the construction, which is a safety harness? Which of the following is the correct tool to bend the rail for track maintenance, which is gym crew? Which of the following excavating equipment is most suitable for excavate earth from a lower level, which is the backhoe? Which among the following equipment is not suitable for carrying out excavation in hard soil or rock, which is a jackhammer? Los Angeles testing machine is used to perform this abrasion test. What is the apex angle and overall diameter of the cone used for static cone penetration test as per IS 4968 part 3 1976 with 6 degree and 35.7 mm? When selection equipment of installing a deep foundation in a dense urban environment with a limited space and strict vibration control requirement, which of the following filling method is most suitable? Which a continuous flight curve filling as per CPWD? Under the category of earthwork excavation by mechanical means, identify a tools which does not under excavator. Correct answer is a dumper. Which type of flooring is suitable for use in crusher, theaters, public libraries, and other places where noiseless floor covering is desired, which is cork flooring? Select the correct instrument for parquet flooring, which is the floor are made of thinner, already polished wood pieces of 10 mm or less thickness. Which of the following statement is correct for tarjo flooring, which is it is type of floor finishing with a special concrete made with cement and marble chips? In industrial building, hard wearing surface can be achieved by which a granulithic flooring? What is the minimum live load of floor area to consider residential building, which is 2000? For construction of 10 mm thick partition wall, it is preferable to use which is stretcher bond? Which one of the following is not true with respect to ripped tile floor, which is a poor fire resistance? The lead and are green building rated system issue energy compliance certificate refer to global standard or Indian standard under finalization, hence 1 and 2 statement is correct. Technology. Flying sword are used for strength, which is the correct to adjacent wall. Next question: when large openings are made in existing wall, the type of masonry work used is which is used for dead sword? Yep. In which of the following method of the soil exploration, soil sample can be lifted from deeper depth by drilling borehole by using mechanical device called sampler, which is a boring method? In soil exploration is one of the site test, which is the dynamic cone penetration test. Lime stabilization useful for which type of soil, which is a clay soil? Bitumen stabilization act as which is acted an adhesive for coarse grain and waterproofing agent for fine grain. During exploratory drill in sandy soil, salary is the borehole should be maintained at the level of 1 to 1.5 meter above the level of water table, which is bentonite. Flocculation of the particle is clay soil is the result of which type of stabilization? Lime stabilization. The dash method involves stabilization soil at the depth, great depth, which is deep mixing. In the dash method of soil stabilization, there are injected into the soil for stabilizing the soil, which is growing. With reference of soil exploration, the number of space of borehole at not depend upon the which is the bearing capacity of the soil. The process of maintaining or improving the performance of soil as a constructional material, usually by the use of admixture, is known as with the soil stabilization. Dash is the implied in situation when the hole is made in very hard or soft rock, because in both these cases agar or was boring cannot be implied with a percussion drilling. A special repair technique used for mud jacking is generally used during the maintenance of which is used for cement concrete pavement. Which of the following maintenance technique is least situated for repair pothole in the bitumen pavement during the monsoon season, which is sprayed bituminous patching? Following in the case of construction site accident, a missing guard of protection on power tool, unsafe equipment, lack of safety precaution when working near power line. So hence all the statement is correct. Read the following about the importance of safety environment. Safety equipment can be tool protect life, boost productivity and reduce financial losses. Workers should wear skin and body protective equipment or reduce chance of injury or accident. Hence, first and second both statement is correct. Read the following about construction equipment management. Construction equipment management refer to continuous evolution of the construction equipment plate or its cost, while at the same time consider the project at hand. The process of balancing the expenses and use of the construction equipment against the timeline and income for from the project can be called construction equipment management, which both the statement is correct. ठीक है, ये हमने प्रोडक्शन एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन का सारा क्वेश्चन कवर कर लिए. ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक कवर करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.